Call off. To cancel an event, plan, or arrangement. They had to call off the picnic due to bad weather. I had to call off our meeting because of an emergency. Check out. To investigate or examine something or to leave a hotel or place of accommodation. Let's check out that new restaurant downtown. We need to check out of the hotel by noon. Run into. To encounter or meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the grocery store. Be careful when you drive, you might run into traffic. Put off. To delay or postpone something. I had to put off our meeting until next week. Don't put off your homework until the last minute. Turn down. To decline or reject an offer, request, or opportunity. She had to turn down the job offer because of the commute. I had to turn down the invitation to the party because I'm busy. Look after. To take care of or be responsible for someone or something. Can you please look after my dog while I'm on vacation? It's important to look after your health by eating well and exercising. Give up. To quit or stop trying to do something. I'm not going to give up on my dream of becoming a doctor. She decided to give up smoking for her health. Break up. To end a romantic relationship or disperse a group of people. They broke up after dating for 3 years. The police had to break up the fight at the bar. Set up. To establish or arrange something, often a system, organization, or equipment. They plan to set up a new business in the city. I'll help you set up your new computer. Set up. To go to bed or submit something, such as an assignment or report. It's late. I think I'll turn in for the night. Don't forget to turn in your homework by the deadline.